If you ever decide to remake that film, I have just the guy to play Tim Allen. Where is he? Messy.
I'm gonna see you after the governor's ball, pal.
Always wanted to be different. And now I realize I just need to be myself.
We made a film about the man who created the atomic bomb, and for better or for worse, we're all living in Oppenheimer's world, so I would really like to dedicate this to the peacemakers everywhere.
The Oscar goes to
Oppenheimer.
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 Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. Call me when you go to sleep. Keep me in the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me safe, safe and sound. Drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Keep me in the strength of your arms. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up in your arms. I need love, I need love, I need love. Hold me, We need light, we need love.
Please welcome winner of cinematography for Oppenheimer, Hoyt van Hoytema.
I'm maybe most proud of that we, through the years have pretty much not changed anything in our mentality, I think. I mean, we never been chasing this. We always try to make good films. And it's very nice that, it paid off at some point and materialized into an Oscar.
Winners of original song, Billie Eilish and Phineas O'Connell.
Wow. I would say, don't do it for other people. Don't do it for, numbers or for, I don't know, some sort of specific, fame. That's just really not ever something that I think anyone should be, moving forward. And I want everyone to be doing something that they feel passionate about and that they feel proud of and that makes them feel like the best version of themselves. And I don't know, I would say that you got time. I remember being 12, believe it or not, and seeing this musical and sobbing my eyes out because I was like, damn, I'm a failure. And I'm not gonna have a career. I was 12 years old and I was watching Matilda on Broadway. And it was amazing, my God. And I was bawling in the back, the nosebleeds, and I was like, I'm never gonna amount to anything because I'm not in Matilda. And I would just say, give yourself some time and do what you love. And I know that's kind of easier said than done because some of us don't really know what we love. But you'll figure it out. You'll find it.
I think it's down to a lot of things. I think it's great storytelling. I think people went into that movie expecting to see a spectacle and expecting to laugh, and I think that Greta and Margot brought a lot more to that. And I think that in terms of rewatch value or whatever you're attributing that to, when we went into that movie for the first time to think about writing a song for it, we thought, oh, this is so much more than we thought we were going in to see. We were so moved by it. So just such an honor to be a part of the family.
I think it made a lot of people feel very seen, and I think that can be rare, especially as a woman. And I think that really resonated, and I think traveled the world of feeling seen and heard and understood.
What's happening during the show
you
that
guys
you're all
watching
laughing at?
something? Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Have a good one, guys.
Welcome the winners of visual effects, Godzilla -1.
はい、そうですね。すごくゴジラがたくさんの扉を開いてくれてるんで、またこれから新しい冒険が始まるんじゃないかなっていうふうには思ってます。それはどっちに向いていくのかわかりませんが、今までとは違う可能性がものすごくたくさん出てきたんじゃないかなというふうに思ってます。
I think Godzilla has opened up so many doors for us through this project, so I don't know where those doors are going to lead, but I don't want to turn down any opportunity that comes our way.
So Sorry, Best Documentary Short Film, The Last Repair Shop, Ben Coffa, and Chris Bowers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, please welcome winner of Sound, The Zone of Interest, Tarn Willers and Johnny Byrne. Number 169, please welcome Best Picture winners, producers Oppenheimer, Emma Thomas, Charles Roven, and Christopher Nolan. First question, number 335, with 334 on deck. Best Documentary Feature Film, 20 Days in Mariupol.
On the maternity hospital in Mariupol. It's a significant moment, it's a symbolic moment, and that moment became a symbol of the invasion of Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the symbol of war crimes that they did there. Right now, unfortunately, Ukraine and topic of supporting Ukraine became a bargaining chip for a lot of politicians in the world. And we should just, and I hope I remind everyone with our film that this is a humanitarian catastrophe and this is not a political question. This is a humanitarian emergency, a matter of supporting the civilians that are being attacked and being killed. It's not my job to try to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to provide as much context and information as possible, and I hope that decisions will be made, but according to this information that we are given.
Welcome, actress in a supporting role, Divine Joy Randolph, The Holdovers. Number 335 in the front and 296 on deck. Please welcome the winners for makeup and hairstyling, Poor Things, Nadia Stacy, Mark Coulier, Josh Weston.
That's all right.